guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you my nighttime cleaning routine. This video is also going to be in collaboration with one of my friends here on YouTube. Her name is Amy and she's from the channel Team Darley. She does a lot of cleaning videos, lifestyle videos, mommy videos, and she's going to be bringing you her morning cleaning routine. So I will leave that link down in the description box. Also, I will leave a link to her channel. If you are coming over from Amy's channel, thank you so much for watching. I would love to have you guys be a part of my YouTube family and stick around and subscribe. So with that being said, let's get started. And if you'll notice here in the video, my hair is wet. I was thinking about drying it, but I was like, no, I'm going to be as realistic as possible. This is what I look like when I'm cleaning up my kitchen at night, so sorry, don't judge.
Telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come.
So right here I'm just going in and getting some laundry done. I'm getting my towels washed and I'm using my very favorite OdorKlenz laundry additive. I used to just use this stuff on my towels, but now I'm loving it for Alex's work clothes because his work clothes leave a musky smell behind, and every time I use this they smell so fresh. And I just want to add that this is made out of all natural products. You might want to not use any scented laundry detergent with this, but it will get any kind of odor out of your clothes, your towels, anything. I love this stuff. I will leave a link down below for you guys to get 20% off down in my description.
Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway heart. Send a little love, I'll make it back.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love and not stop to think any of this over. So let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now. It's not that you're timid, no one could say. Choosing to walk with the gale. What shall we call us? Hobos per se. We'll find that out thinking